So I've got my office chair here. Now, what I like about this office chair is that it does have a capacity of right around 300 pounds. The seat here, it is nice and foamy. It's very comfortable. And then also the back side, this is kind of mesh, which I like this because it keeps my back kind of cool. The air kind of circulates. And then on the back side here, we actually have a lumbar support. You can just move that up and down and adjust that for your back. And then, of course, we've also got the armrests, which are pretty good here. So they are quite adjustable. So the armrests, you can do these a couple ways. If you don't want them, you can just move those up out of the way. Also, they move forward and back. And these actually have some fabric on here, and it's cushiony. So these aren't hard plastic like some chairs are. So that's nice and comfortable for your arms. And then, of course, we've got a lever here to adjust this up and down. It does have a tension knob on the bottom here, so you can adjust the tension of the back. So that way, let me go ahead and lock this here. That way you can go ahead and lean back if you want to. If not, you just push that in and you just lock it. It is an all-around good chair. It took me right around 20 minutes to put together. I mean, it's really simple. I didn't even look at the instructions for it. Of course, the wheels here, they just move around nice and smooth, but hey, it's a great office chair and I'm real happy with it. Hope you found this helpful.